Hi, welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to solve these questions without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. Here's the problem. In a call center, the ratio of agents to manager is 50:1. If 500 more agents join, the ratio changes to 75:1. How many managers are there? A. 30, B. 25, C. 20, D. 15, E. 10. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the boring method, if there are X managers, the total number of agents initially are 50X. Thus, new set of agents equals 50X plus 500. Therefore, 50X plus 500 over X equals 75/1. 75X equals 50X plus 500. Therefore, 25X equals 500. And X equals 500 over 25, or 500 divided by 25, which is equal to 20. And the answer is letter C. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 60 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4.0. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option C, 20. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Alright, that was quick. It gave us the correct answer, letter C. Great job! Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option C, 20. Let's see how fast it can give us the answer. Is it as fast as ChatGPT? Alright, it was definitely as fast, but it gave us the wrong answer. It gave us option E, which we already know that the correct answer is letter C, 20. Oh well, just as the disclaimer said at the bottom of the page, Gemini may display inaccurate info. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of an AI or a calculator. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, the smart way. The original ratio is 50:1, and the new ratio is 75:1. The additional 75 minus 50 equals 25 is attributable to the additional 500 agents. Hence, each unit or 1 corresponds to 500 over 25, which is equal to 20. Hence, 20 managers, and so option C. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.